in the jungles of Vietnam, under skies of fire and rain. A young capitine from Paris with stars upon her sleeve. Claire marched through the mist, her heart heavy with a war's refrain. But high in the peaks where the eagles dare to weave, she climbed the jagged trails to a village lost in cloud, where the Hmong king of the mountains ruled with quiet grace. There stood Tango Yang with eyes like midnight, strong and proud, a smile that melted the frost on her war-weary face. Oh, love in the highlands, wild and free, her French heart beats to Hmong drums for thee. Whispers in the wind, promises we swear, I'll come back to you, mon amour, I swear. From Paris to these peaks, my soul will fly. Tango Yang, my mountain king, under the endless sky. Nights by the fire, they danced in the starlit haze, her uniform forgotten, his hands rough from the earth. He taught her the rivers, the secrets of misty days. She gave him her laughter, her dreams of a world reborn. But orders came swift like a monsoon storm's cruel bite. The helicopter roared, tearing her from his side. Tears on her cheeks, she held him tight through the night. Vaitja of Yendre, soon my love, I'll return to your side. Oh, love in the highlands, wild and free, her French heart beats to Hmong drums for thee. Whispers in the wind, promises we swear, I'll come back to you, mon amour, I swear. From Paris to these peaks, my soul will fly. Tango Yang, my mountain king, under the endless sky. Now in the streets of the Seine, she dreams of his call, the echo of flutes on the wind-swept ridge so high. A ribbon from her hair she left in his woven shawl. One day she'll climb back, and their worlds will never say goodbye.